All right, so the way it works, you grab onto this and you easily go over it without falling off. So it depends on the bathtub. Now, to tighten it up and loosen it up here, this is rubber, so it won't damage your bathtub, as you can see. But once you grip it on, you just tighten it up. And that's pretty much it. And this gets really reinforced, so you can tighten it as much as you want so it won't move. And it sandwiches the whole thing. So once you get out in, this is perfect for elderly people getting out. It's very simple. It works on pretty much any bathtub because the actual draw is real long. So we're gonna take it apart and see how it looks. Today, we're gonna bring an assistant to get out of the bathtub. This is a perfect way. Now, if you guys can see, the jaws actually expand really long. So even if you have a jacuzzi, this expands pretty long too. And the best thing I like about it, it has these rubber ends at the bottom. If you guys can see that. Easily to adjust here. All you gotta do is screw this in. And I tried it in 2 different bathtubs and it worked. I tried it in my bathtub here. You wanna have something like this simple to come in and out of the bathtub, to hang on to it in case you're gonna slip and fall. This is perfect. It's like I said, it's adjustable. You can move it anywhere down the line of the actual bathtub. So it's one of those things that you wanna maybe look into down the line, or maybe readjusting your bathtub. So pretty good device. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.